just got home. Just gonna go look for locations. And bam. It's freaking raining. I'm still gonna freaking look for locations. What's going on, guys? Brandon here. So it is raining, but I'm gonna still look for locations. You know, I don't want the rain to stop me. So I'm at a few local spots. Local pizza spot right here, poke place. I'm gonna go for it, you know. I might drag some water in, but it's all good. I got my cards ready that I made myself. Oh yeah, let's hope for the best. All right, so I'm back. We struck out, but it's all good. He said we didn't technically strike out because he said he'll let the owner know. I gave him my card. You know, I showed him some pictures. He didn't say no right away, and he wasn't super negative about it. So, you know, you can just hope for the best. Hopefully we get a call back. On to the next one. I'm at one of my candy vending locations. I'm just here. It's been about a week. I'm not really looking to collect. I just want to kind of check on it, see how it's doing. Maybe clean it up a bit and see if it needs refilling. I doubt it. It doesn't look like the busiest place ever, so, you know. But it's still a spot, so I do want to check on it regularly. So, let's go. Let's go see. Let's go see. Let's go. So, I ended up checking on the spot. It didn't need any refilling. One of the workers told me that not a lot of people have used it, which is a little discouraging, to be honest, but it's all right because they didn't tell me to take it out. So, still got a location. I did go and just like wipe it down to clean it, and I kind of shook it a little, and there was quarters inside that I can hear shaking around. So, you know, I'm still optimistic. You know, it still might be a good spot. Can only hope for the best. So anyway, I still got to get another location for my other machine. I think I'm gonna go right now. It's the weekend. It's the only time I get to, you know, really go out and go look for locations. Hopefully I can find one.
Can I move it?
No, you can move it.
We're actually over
you know,
here.
it's pretty lightweight. Yeah, where
How tall is it?
you know, it's really good for the kids, and
And
it
I'm
really
walking.
attracts their eyes. Yeah. You know, so I was just wondering if you're interested.
Yeah, I am. How big is it? It's right here.
It will fit right here.
And how tall is
I have
it?
it in my trunk right here. I do everything. I will offer you a percentage because it's your place.
Yeah.
But I can only offer you 10% because it is quarters, and eventually that's fine.
Well, why don't you hit me up? We have a whole bunch of events this week. I really don't want to bring in something right now because we've been moving tables and it would have been in the way. So I would have had to move it.
Oh, okay.
I'll be right back. Hold on. Yeah, that's good.
Just real quick, I didn't get it on video, but the guy ended up letting me put it inside. He said yes. So here's the video of me putting it inside. We did it!
I got you.
You gotta do something.
Now, Mike, we're gonna have to come back for M&M.
Yeah. Here's my card. You can find us on Facebook.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Sounds
Thank
good.
you.
This is William. Second location with this beautiful restaurant. Thank you very much, William.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Awesome. I'm gonna have to come back though. I'm gonna fill up the M&Ms.
All right, no
I'll
problem.
come right back, okay?
No problem. All right, no
Thank you.
problem.
Thank you so much. All right, yeah, we got our second location, guys. Pretty stoked. I was looking at this salon right here, but you know, they weren't really giving me an answer, so I decided to go to the restaurant. I'm actually out of M&Ms, so I have to go get some M&Ms right now so I can run back here and fill it up. But we did it, guys. Second location. I'm gonna go get those M&Ms, fill it up. Gotta get another one of these bad boys.
What's Brandon? Some quarters so that we can test out the machine.
Yeah, I just want to test it really quick. Then you want some of these. Some?
Thank you.
One ball. It's a good amount. Yeah. All right. right, guys, we got our second location. Finally, yes. Only been on the road for about, 30 minutes to an hour. I already want to go look for more locations, and I think I'm going to. This is only motivating me to get another location, If these two locations do good, guys, then I'm going to get a third machine and just get a third location and move on from there. I'm so stoked, so happy. Let's see what happens. I'll be doing a collection video this coming up week for my other machine. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on my journey on my vending conquest. Thank you very much, guys.